Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to text like AE in Capcut. First, launch the Capcut application and create a brand new project. Next, navigate to the text option and add a default text layer to your timeline. Type out your desired message. Then, select a strong, impactful font, adjust its size to fit your screen, and pick a color that truly stands out. This foundational step is crucial for achieving that professional, eye-catching look. Now, let's bring your text to life with animation. Head over to the Animation tab within Capcut. Here, you'll find a wide array of options to make your text move. Experiment with in and out animations to control how your text appears and exits the screen, ensuring a fluid visual flow. For more advanced control, use keyframes to define specific positions, scales, and rotations over time, giving your text a truly unique and dynamic feel. To truly elevate your text, it's time to add some visual flair. Dive into Capcut's effects section. A popular choice for an AE-like look is a subtle glow effect, which can make your text pop with a luminous edge. You might also want to add a touch of motion blur, especially if your text has rapid movements, to create a smoother, more cinematic feel. These small additions can make a big difference in your final presentation. Before exporting, take a moment to refine your creation. Carefully adjust the timing and duration of your text layers on the timeline, ensuring everything is perfectly synchronized with your video. Play through your entire clip multiple times to catch any small adjustments needed for a seamless flow. Once you are completely satisfied with your AE-like text animation, proceed to export your video in the highest possible resolution for a crisp, professional final product.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.